Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. Okay, so daily chart. We had the pop last Monday, 4 days of consolidation. We popped, although not as violently, on other vaccine news this morning from Moderna. So the vaccine news continues to pop the ES. Now, at the same time, the NQ, the NASDAQ, is going down. So I think that's a function of stocks that do better when everybody's at home, buying everything online, hanging out on social media all day, versus people getting back to work, getting outside, getting back to that part of their lives. So we'll see how this plays out. So hourly chart, there's a consolidation. Here's your new weekly pivot, 35.85 half, which they gapped over and they ran with it last night at 6 o'clock or so. So the opening print for Sunday was 35.87, and then by the time it got up to 36.10 by the time we got to 7 o'clock. So unless you were there, pretty darn close to when it opened, kind of ran away from me. I was looking for a retest and trying to solidify it as support. That train left the station and hasn't come back. So we grinded above 3,600 for most of Globex, and here's the pop that we had. Traded as high as 36.37. They've brought it back in a little bit here, as low as 36.15. So we'll see how this plays out into the open. You can see the hourly mid-band, 35.99, basically sitting right deadpan on the rounding there, 3,600. Volume weighted average price around 36.14. 5-minute mid-band 36.15. Proprietary moving average 36.13. So in the low after the pop came back to 15. So that's going to be an area that's going to have to get dealt with this morning. Call it 30. They lifted it from basically 36.08. So 36.08 to 36.15 has a chance to be a zone that has to hold. The bulls, now that they've shown everybody, the way up to 36.35, 36.36, they're going to have to hold something and get back up there and stay there. Otherwise, they'll wind this right back down, just like they did last Monday. We'll do another one of these. Does that mean we land in another consolidation zone for 3 or 4 days? I have no idea. But it does show that, look, the bulls are going to have to progress above this spike high. Otherwise, we're going to slip right back down into where we've been. So we'll see. And where price wants to be on either side of 3,600 is going to be important. All right, that's all I got. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. It's a great time. This is a great trader's market, it really is. Even in the consolidation times, there's a lot of elbow room to get done. So now that we're past the election, we're looking for a nice solid volatility period. So if you've been waiting to come check us out, don't wait any longer. Come check us out. It's a great group, and we would love to meet you. Take care. Talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.